She is 51-year-old, but look like 20. Her anti-aging secret is this one natural ingredient. Here, we're going to present you a recipe of a 51-year-old woman who looks like she's 20. She doesn't have any wrinkles. This recipe can be used by men and women. The woman is called Yamada Keiko. She hasn't done any plastic surgery and instead decided to rely on natural anti-aging therapy and beauty care. Yamada Keiko was born on 17 January 1966. She is a Japanese model, host, artist, and entrepreneur. She won first prize during the 2012 Tokyo Second Phase Beauty Contest and was also selected for having the most beautiful natural skin makeup. Yamada Keiko encourages many women by showing them that age is not a barrier to beauty. She claims that her ageless beauty is due to her daily skincare routine and healthy diet. Yamada Keiko avoids eating food like Ajinomoto, MSG, bubblegum, pickles, 3-in-1 coffee, popcorn, instant noodles, sugar, fried stuff, etc. Every day, she eats various vegetables every day in order to become healthier. Yamada Keiko tries to drink water as much as possible, no matter if it's summer or winter. She uses toners and emulsions alternately along with gentle massaging in order to make her skin supple. She also claims that a good mood accompanied with a happy smile are the secret weapons of looking young. Here's a recipe of a natural mask that many women use in order to look younger. You need 3 tablespoons of rice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of milk. Preparation: first, cook the rice for several minutes. Strain it and keep the water in which the rice has boiled. Then, add the milk, hot, and honey into the rice and mix. Clean your face and apply this mask. After it is dried, wash and rinse your face with the rice water. Benefits and properties of this water are: this water enhances the antioxidant protection and improves the blood flow. It also keeps the skin moist and soft and reduces fine lines. This water also helps against various inflammations, and damaged skin quickly becomes hydrated if you use it properly. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.